Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to forward message on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Okay, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram app. Now you can tap on the up right corner on your message over here. Choose your friend that you want to forward the message. We'll choose this. You can see I've sent a message to my friend and I want to forward this message to my other friends. You can tap and hold to the message that you want to forward. I will forward this message. You can tap and hold. You can see there is an option reply, forward, copy, and unsend. Of course, you have to choose to forward because we want to forward this message. Tap on forward. Now you can choose your friend or account that you want to send this forward message. I will choose this. You can add more note or message from the forward message. I will just send directly like this. Tap on send. And also you can now let's go back. Let's open from this account. Now you can see I've sent the message from this account to this account. Let's see from the other POV. I will change the message. The account. Here's the forwarded message from my account. So that is how to forward message on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!